Ever wondered how we got to understand so much about the universe? How we know about the planets, the stars, and the galaxies? Well, a big part of that knowledge comes from the work of some incredible people we call scientists. Today, we're going on an adventure through time, exploring the life of one such remarkable person, Galileo Galilei. Born in the beautiful city of Pisa, Italy in 1564, Galileo was the first of 6 children. From a young age, he was fascinated by the world around him, always asking questions, always eager to learn. His father, a musician and scholar, encouraged this curiosity, sparking in Galileo a love for learning that would last a lifetime. Galileo's journey into the world of science began at the University of Pisa, where he initially planned to study medicine. But the stars had a different plan for him. He was fascinated by mathematics and physics, and soon he switched his focus entirely to these subjects. Galileo made many significant contributions to the world of science, but perhaps his most famous work is his support for the theory of heliocentrism. This theory, which suggests that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun, was quite controversial at the time. Despite facing opposition, Galileo stood by his beliefs, showing the world the importance of questioning, exploring, and seeking the truth. His work wasn't just limited to astronomy, though. Galileo also made significant contributions to the field of physics. He studied the laws of motion and gravity, conducting experiments that would lay the foundation for future scientists. He even invented the telescope, which opened up a whole new world of exploration for astronomers. In the later years of his life, Galileo faced many challenges. His support for heliocentrism put him at odds with the Church, leading to a trial and house arrest. But even in these difficult times, Galileo continued his work, writing and studying until his final days. Galileo's life is a testament to the power of curiosity, the importance of questioning, and the courage to stand by one's beliefs. His work has shaped our understanding of the universe and inspired generations of scientists. From his humble beginnings in Pisa to his groundbreaking discoveries, Galileo's journey is a fascinating tale of curiosity, courage, and perseverance. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember Galileo. Remember his curiosity, his courage, and his relentless pursuit of knowledge. And who knows, maybe one day, you too could make a discovery that changes the world. After all, every great scientist starts with a single question, a single spark of curiosity. And as Galileo's story shows, that spark can lead to some truly incredible things.